In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about DocuSign and how you can register for it in just a few simple steps. Whether you're a first-time user or looking to streamline your document signing process, DocuSign offers a flexible and secure solution. Let's dive in and see how you can get started. First up, you'll need to head over to the DocuSign website. Simply open your browser and type in www.docusign.com. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the top right corner. There you'll see the sign up button waiting for you. Give it a click and let's start the registration process. Now that you're in the sign up section, choosing the right plan is crucial. DocuSign offers a variety of options depending on your needs. If you're just testing the waters, perhaps the free trial is the right choice for you. It's designed for first-time users and includes basic features like sending and signing documents. But if you find yourself needing to send documents occasionally, the personal plan might be more up your alley. For those of you who regularly handle contracts, the standard or business pro options are worth exploring. And if you deal in real estate, there are specific plans geared towards brokers and agents. Remember, all plans kick off with a free 30-day trial in 2025, so you can get a good feel for what DocuSign has to offer. Once you've chosen a plan, it's time to enter your information. You'll need to fill in your full name and email address. If you're signing up for a business account, there's an option to include your company name. Next, create a strong and secure password, something you'll remember but that others won't easily guess. Once you've entered all your details, hit that Create Account button. After creating your account, check your email inbox for a message from DocuSign. They've sent you a verification email that you need to open. Inside, you'll find a link to activate your account. Click on that and you'll be all set. Now with your account activated, it's time to log in and set up your profile. Once signed in, you can choose to upload a profile photo. While this step is entirely optional, it does add a personal touch. More importantly, you'll want to set up your default signature style. You have a few options here: draw your signature, upload an existing image, or choose from DocuSign's generated styles. Finally, you're ready to start using DocuSign. Go ahead and upload your first document. DocuSign supports a variety of file types, including PDFs and Word documents. Once uploaded, you'll need to add recipients and designate signature fields. After that, simply send it off for signing. You'll be able to track the document's progress in real time, giving you peace of mind that your document is on its way to being completed. And there you have it. You're now set to revolutionize the way you handle documents with DocuSign. Enjoy the convenience and efficiency of modern digital document management.